Hello students, today we will start lesson number 3 of civics. Why do we need a parliament? For this we should know what actually parliament is. If we talk about modern politics and history, a parliament is a legislative body of government. Generally, a modern parliament has three functions: representing the electorate, making laws, and overseeing the government via hearing and inquiries. So now let us see, why do we need a parliament? So dear students, as all of us know, India got freedom after a very long and tough struggle. In this struggle for freedom, people from different backgrounds participated. They were greatly inspired by the ideas of freedom, equality, and participation in decision making. Why was it so? Because they were exempted from all these facilities during the British rule. The Indian Parliament came into existence in 1947, in the year India got independence. It is the representative of the people and enjoys immense powers. Parliament enables citizens of India to participate in decision making and control the government, thus making it the most important symbol of Indian democracy and a key feature of the Indian Constitution. We need a parliament to ensure that we have freedom of speech, movements and association, and to ensure that there is no misuse of authority by elected leaders, as Constitution describe their powers and limitations to select the national government to control, guide and inform the government for making laws. Now here one question arises. Why should people decide? As we know that India follows a democratic form of government. The decision of people matters in a democratic country because a democratic government is run by the consent, approval and participation of the people or citizens. The people in a democracy are the citizens and they are an integral part of any democracy. The people elect a few candidates who represent their collective voices in the parliament. Now, let us learn about role of the parliament. Role of the parliament. In this module, you will learn about the key functions of the parliament in a democracy. The Parliament of India is the symbol of the Indian democracy. It represents the faith that the people of India have in the principles of democracy. Being the repository of democratic expressions, there are certain functions that the Parliament performs. One of the key functions of Parliament is to form the government. In order to form a government, a party must secure the majority of representatives to the Lok Sabha. While the party securing majority forms the government, remaining party constitutes the opposition. The opposition keeps the check on the government in power. It highlights the drawbacks in various policies and programs of the government. The leader of the majority party in Lok Sabha becomes the Prime Minister. He then assigns portfolios and other responsibilities to different ministers. The Parliament also plays a crucial role in keeping a check on the national government. There are several devices through which the activities of the government can be controlled. The question hour is one such device. It is an important device through which MPs can elicit information about the work of the government. By the questions put, the government is made aware of its shortcomings and also comes to know the opinion of the people about their activities in the Parliament. In addition, Parliament controls and sanctions the government budget. Public money cannot be spent by the government without the parliamentary sanction. In this way, Parliament acts as the custodian of national funds. Another important function of the Parliament is to make laws pertaining to the governance of the country. The Parliament formulates and enacts law on several crucial issues faced by the country. Performing all these functions, the Parliament controls, guides, and informs the government in a positive way. Over the years, Since independence, we find that the membership of the parliament is becoming more diverse. We find more representation from rural areas, regional parties, tribals, Dalits, and minorities. With the realization that when interests and experiences separate us, it is important to ensure that communities that have been historically marginalized should be given adequate representation. Seats have been reserved in the parliament for SCs and STs. Proposal for reservation of seats for women in the parliament has also been suggested. Let us recall what you have learnt. The Parliament of India is a symbol of Indian democracy. One of the key functions of the parliament is to select the national government. In order to form the government, a party must secure majority of the representatives elected to the Lok Sabha. The Prime Minister is the leader of the majority party in Lok Sabha. Recent years have witnessed the inability of a single party to secure the majority required in the Lok Sabha to form the government. In this situation, several political parties come together to form the government. This is called the coalition government. The parliament also plays a crucial role in keeping a check on the national government through devices like question hour. The parliament controls and sanctions the government budget. Parliament makes laws pertaining to the governance of the country. Performing all these functions, the parliament controls, guides, and informs the government in a positive way. Over the years since independence, we find that the membership of the parliament becoming more diverse. Thank you. Have a nice day.